Another phenomenon is poltergeist activity, which takes the form of physical objects moving or even flying around the room, along with strange and unexplained noises, smells, even levitation of people and objects. How this is possible is explained by a simple fact. There is no physical. What we perceive as physical objects are really decoded holographic projections of energetic information fields. And if their field moves energetically, then so must the apparent physical expression, the object. In this way, other non-physical energy can influence the non-physical energy of objects, and in the human decoded world of holographic reality, it appears that solid physical objects, including people, sometimes, are being moved, levitated, or even thrown around the room. The question remains about what force exactly is generating this, and there are probably a number of answers. Yes, it can be mischievous spirits seeking to disrupt and intimidate. But there are too many occasions when an adolescent teenager, often girls, are involved for this to be dismissed as coincidence. Some scientists and researchers believe that the spirit uses young girls as a vehicle to disrupt the field at a given location, when others say that the girls' or teenagers' state of emotion is what's behind it. And the extreme changes taking place at puberty can cause them to generate a powerful but chaotic field of energy that has the effect we call a poltergeist.